Hello and welcome back to EnergyVue. In today's short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your own preset widget. Preset widget is basically in our dashboarding system. It's a pre-configured data visualization tool. So I'm going to take you through the process of adding one today. So we're here again at the landing page. I'm going to go back to our dashboard manager. I have a template already set up here. If I double click this template, it takes me to a blank area where I can add a widget. So to add a preset widget, you would usually just go to add a widget and select one of the presets, but today we're going to create our own preset. So I'm going to go to the widget library, I'm going to select the time series chart, and we just scale that accordingly. And then in this time series chart, I want to show wind versus power as a simple example. So if I double click on this chart, this brings up the configuration option. So there's a few options I want to go through. I'm going to enable data series scale. That basically means that it will auto scale each channel to its own range within the chart. I'm going to select the wind speed initially. I'm going to make sure that's auto scaled. I'm going to change that to line thickness of 1. I'll change the color. For the purpose, I'm going to add some shading as well. So add a little shading. I'll change the shading opacity there. And then I also want to add another chart here for power. I'm going to keep that as red. I'm going to select auto scale again. I'm going to change the line size, and I'm going to zoom down into this data chart so you can see that here. So I've created this widget, I've configured this widget, and I want to save this for future use as a preset. So I go to the option down here, I go to save as preset. I'm going to add a little test note onto here. I'm going to hit save, and now if I go to add another widget, you'll see the option down here for my preset that's now been saved to the preset option. For the purpose of showing that, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to select that preset widget that I just created, which is then going to load the data again. I can zoom down and I can see the data accordingly within the system. So it's as simple as that. Obviously, this gives you endless opportunities to use our wide and expanding widget library to do your own configurations that can be used again and again and again. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact us via LinkedIn or go to our website, energyvue.com. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.